Not now.
It came from under the bus!
Mr. Chen?
Mr.
Is
Chen?
the bus broken?
The coolant pump. It's gone.
Can you fix it?
Not here, I'm sorry.
Lily, we're really stuck, aren't we?
Yes, but we're going to be okay. What is that under the seat? If the bus ever breaks down, don't panic. Stay together.
Class trip day! Class trip day!
Tom, stop shouting and eat.
I can't eat. I'm too excited.
Sit down, Tom. Breakfast first. But Mom, the nature park.
The park will wait. Your cereal won't.
Big day today, Lily.
I can't wait to see the waterfall.
Take lots of photos.
I put a notebook in your bag
For drawing?
for writing down what you see.
Dad, Bobby is coming too.
Good, stay together.
We always stay together. Bags, lunches, jackets. Dun 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 dun.
Your shoe.
Stay with Miss Park
I know, Mom.
and look after your brother.
Tom, what are the rules? Stay with Miss Park, stay with Lily, don't eat Bobby's lunch.
Did you eat Bobby's lunch before?
Tom, we're going to see a waterfall. I know. And deer, and maybe bears.
Lily. Excited?
Very. I'm going to write everything down.
I love that idea.
Hello, young man. First class trip?
But first with Bobby. Wow, so big.
Best kind.
Bobby, sit here. Tom, I was going to sit. Ellie, please.
Who can see the cows?
3. What are you writing?
What I see, like Mom said.
Right. Tom is the best. Tom, I already ate my lunch. Bobby, it's 9 o'clock. I was excited.
Beautiful road, Mr. Chen. Old road, not many use it now.
But it's the quickest.
This road is so quiet. Like nobody lives here. Like the whole world stopped.
Come on, old girl. Not now.
It came from under the bus.
Mr. Chen?
Hold on, everyone. I'm pulling over.
Everyone sit down. Hold the seat in front.
Mr. Chen.
Is the bus broken?
We'll be moving soon. Who wants to play 20 questions?
Is it bigger than a cat?
The coolant pump. It's gone.
Can you fix it?
Not here, I'm sorry.
I'll walk up the hill. There might be a signal there.
I'll stay with the children. Miss Park! Please, Miss Dice!
I'm okay. It's just my ankle.
Miss Park, are you hurt?
You need to go for help. There's a village 2 miles.
I'll go. I'll be as fast as I can. Stay with the children. Going to get help, children. Miss Park is in charge. Stay on the bus. I'll be back soon.
Mr. Chen, how long will you be?
An hour, maybe less. I'll be fast.
He's getting smaller. He'll come back. He will.
All right, everyone. We are safe. We are together. Who has their lunch?
Tom, I don't have my lunch. Bobby, you ate it all this morning.
Tom, we need to stay calm.
I am calm. I'm just a little scared. What would Mom say? What is that under the seat? This was here the whole time? Under my seat? If the bus ever breaks down, don't panic. Stay together. Tom, come and look at this. What is it?
Amy, age 8. That's Mom's name.
Read the name again, Tom.
It can't be Mom's. It's too weird. Look at the bus, look at the trees. It's this road. What else does it say? Turn it, turn it!
Read more with me, Tom. Our bus stopped on the old forest road. We were scared. Teacher Mrs. Brown hurt her foot.
What is that? A notebook from a girl on this bus. Oh, what does she say?
We sang songs to feel better.
Tom is also a very common name.
You just said Amy is a common name.
Both common names.
The driver went for help. We waited 1 hour. Then our parents came.
She was on this bus? On this road?
Yes, a long time ago. Tom, Mom's name is Amy. She was 30 years ago.
It can't be. It can't be. Lots of Amy's.
Read page 4. Look at what else it says.
I have a cat named Buttons. Mom had an orange cat named Buttons.
Lily, what have you got?
A notebook, Miss Park. Someone left it on this bus a long time ago.
Don't panic. Stay together. You'll be okay. This is good advice, right now for all of us. So, what does our mystery author say to do?
When you're scared, sing. Singing makes you feel.
Let's sing! What should we sing?
The wheels on the bus, obviously, go round and round, round and round, round. The wheels on the bus go crash and stop.
That's not the lyric, Bobby.
I feel better. Amy was right.
Singing helps. She knew exactly what to do. If you are hungry, share.
Together you have enough.
I have an extra sandwich. Who wants half?
Bobby wants half! Bobby, you had your whole lunch at 9 a.m.
Lily, what else does it say?
Stay visible. Wave at any car.
Good, let's do that.
Car! Stop! Bobby, they can't hear you.
We're stranded. Broken bus.
I'll call it in. I have signal.
Please, Greenfield Primary School.
She wrote wave at any car.
And it worked.
She knew.
I'm bored. You're always either too excited or too bored.
That's just how I am. I hope whoever reads this is okay. I hope they are not too scared. I left this here for them.
She left it for me.
Mom left it for me.
Lily, are you okay?
She left it for me, Tom. Mom left it for me.
How did she know? She didn't know.
But she left it anyway.
Are you going to keep it?
I'm going to give it back to her.
She doesn't know she left it here. Tom, there's a car coming! A fast car! It's not a car. Is that a police car? Ambulance!
That's Dad's car.
Dad! Dad is coming!
Children, rescue is here. Everyone stay seated until I say.
Lost my dad.
Yellow bus? That's my children's bus. Mr. Watson, the children are safe. Thank God. Tom, you okay, buddy?
I was so brave!
Dad.
You okay?
Dad, I found something. I found it under my seat. Read the name, Dad.
Amy, Hayes. Don't panic. Stay together. You'll be okay. This handwriting?
I know, Dad.
She never told me.
She was on this bus, on this road.
When she was your age.
And her bus broke down here too! And there was a Tom in her class!
Wait, really? Amy, don't panic. Everyone is safe. But Lily found something on the bus.
I think you should come. Mom is coming? Yes. She doesn't know about the notebook?
Not yet.
Lily, you kept everyone calm today.
The notebook helped.
No, you did.
Juice box or water?
Both, please!
I'm back. With help.
Mr. Chen, you made it!
I said I'd be fast.
She's coming. I'm going to give it back to you.
Lily! Car!
I know. It's Mom's driving. Tom! Lily! Lily, are you okay?
Yes.
I found something on the bus. This is... Where did you... I wrote this.
I know. I was 8 years old. Your bus broke down here too.
And you wrote, "Don't panic." And we didn't. I left it on purpose. I just someone white needed. Lily,
I kept everyone calm.
I know.
Dad, is Mom crying?
Yes,
Happy crying or sad crying?
the very best kind.
Can I see the notebook?
Yes.
Tom made us laugh.
This was the best class trip ever.
We didn't even reach the park.
Still the best.
Mom,
When your bus broke down, were you scared?
very scared.
So I wrote down what I knew to feel less scared.
Writing things down helps.
Dad, did you know Mom was stuck on a bus?
I did not.
She never told you?
The notebook says, when you're scared, sing. And we sang. It helped.
What else does it say?
Stay together. Share. Wave at cars. We did all of them.
I'm glad it was you who found it.
Why me? Because you would know what to do with it.
I would have known what to do with it. I would have read it out louder.
That's probably true.
So, the lesson from today?
Don't panic. Stay together. And sing.
Lily, what made you stay calm?
The notebook.
And you?
What do you do when you're scared?
Stay together and sing. Think and then act.
I'm going to keep this now.
You wrote it. No.
Lily brought it home. What will you remember about today?
The notebook, and that you were always there.
Dad, if I leave a notebook on a bus, will my kids find it?
I don't know, maybe. What would you write?
Don't panic. And sing. Definitely sing.
Lily, are you famous now?
No, Tom.
You should be.
I wrote one more thing in the notebook.
What did you write?
Lily found it. She was brave.
Tom, can you believe yesterday? Bobby, my mom wrote the notebook.
If you're ever stuck and scared,
Don't panic. Stay together. Think and then act. And sing.